Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101, and as you can see, I have another box in front of me. It's from Happy Planner, and let me go ahead and open this up for all of us, and we are going to take a look inside. I ordered a few things from the winter release, not too many. Normally my packages are way bigger, but this time I only actually wanted a few items, so that's exactly what I got. Every package now comes with this pinkish orange peace sign, so that's what I did. I did end up getting Biz Babe. I already had that one from the HSN, so it's the Home Shopping Network, or HSN, yeah, HSN. It's the Home Shopping Network, and I purchased the Biz Babe and I purchased the wellness one. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful pouch. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has two pen loops and a card holder, and it's these really nice florals, and it's super blue on the inside, and it has blue elastic on the outside. The way you would use this is you would attach it to a cover of your planner. So let me show you. Just take that strap, you open up your planner and you slide it on, and then you adjust accordingly, and it just sits on your planner like that. It's so convenient when you're going places, and this is it's called portable pouch. So it's great. That pocket on the front is so beautiful. So let me go ahead and go through the stickers. I already did a flip through of the Biz Babe, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys like this. It is really a lovely sticker book, especially if you like yellows. This is a really awesome book. I did, as you guys know, I am a little floral crazy, so I ordered 3 of the Happy Blooms because I know I'm gonna go through them so quick. So these flowers actually are from the, I think, Spring Florals. It was called last year's planners, and then these are brand new with the hummingbird and the purples and the blues. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have, so it looks like each of these kind of new designs are 3 pages. So then we have these florals, which are a little bit different. They're kind of like freestyle painted, and then we have these, which are also watercolor. We have some on black background, white background, and then just a gold outline. How beautiful. And then these, I remember these from Layered Florals, I want to say. Yes, let me pull that out because I have it right here on my desk, so I'll pull it out for you guys so we can compare, because I believe these are a repeat from, these are detailed florals, so those are no. I'm gonna pull my layered ones. So layered florals, yep, look, these match. So if you needed more of these, you could use that book. Okay, and then these are brand new on this colorful background, and there's green one, and again like this peachy one, and an unclear one. That's beautiful. So these are really big, and I really like big florals because they just stand out on the page so much, and I really love them. Oh, this is so lovely. And then these remind me of the garden books, 1 and 2. I think these were incorporated in there. And these, like, we've seen that basket and a few of these, but these are enlarged and foiled, and they're beautiful. So that's that book, and that book is pretty awesome. And then we have the household one. So we have daily chore list. We have make beds, meal prep, wash dishes, wipe down counters, clean kitchen, declutter laundry, take out trash, vacuum, plants pads, and errands, banking, bills, and then deep clean one space. That's pretty awesome. These are big. And then we have a chore page, and then we have a weekly checklist, and then we have a monthly checklist, and then we have a daily checklist. So let me go back to the one that they started with. So chores, so we have weekly. So weekly is dust house, clean floors, clean mirrors and glass, change sheets, wipe down appliances, a scrub kitchen, sink, outdoor spaces, clean out fridge, tidy up pantry. That's awesome. These are really good. And then monthly we have wash bedding, baseboards, we have clean fan, light fixtures, upholstery, polish wood, clean trash cans, wipe down cabinetry, windows and stills. Yeah, these are awesome. And then we have daily, and these are pretty simple. So we have meal, make beds, meal prep, dinners, counters, kitchen table, declutter laundry, trash, floors. That's awesome. And then we have some honey to-dos and home improvements. So if you have bigger projects going on, I think that's great. And then you have get it done. It's like big this. And I don't know why, but it kind of cracks me up. And then we have these individual ones like organize pantry, vacuum under furniture, dust, cowbell, not cowbells, cobwebs. Can't read. I'm thinking about SNL and cowbells. Organize fridge. Yeah, so all of these are really, really good, like clean fans and light fixtures, spot clean walls and doors. And then we have some bills, and then we have some budget tracking, and then we have some meals. And this is taken directly from the recipe book. I was just flipping through it the other day, so it's exactly the same. And there's quite a few of those. And then we have weekly checklist, and that one, I think that one just repeats itself. And then we have payment due, so more of the little bill trackers. And then we have a day chore list with like a weekly checklist, which these are awesome because you can just check them out. Then we have hexagons, and we have electric bill, credit card, and mortgage or home. Then we have some chores. And then we have some to-dos with cleaning, and then leftovers with the little microwave, and then we have toilet paper, and bucket. And then we have a full page of trash cans. And then we have dustpan, recycle, and a little house. I'm not sure what the house is for, but hey, I'll take it. And then we have a spray bottle, a shower, and a bathtub. Then in gold foil we have like a dog paw and some dollar signs and a car. And we have bed, vacuum, clothespins, and then flowers and lawnmower. So that means it's garden. That's grocery shopping. And then we have hangers, an iron and laundry. And then we have some dishes and a light bulb. So this book is going to be super, super useful, especially with the chores. Let me know what do you guys think about these. I think they're pretty awesome, and leave me comments down below if you like the new floral book. And like I said, BizBabe was already flipped through by me, and I think that one is really, really minimalistic. And those yellows, I know a lot of you were looking for a lot of yellows in. So this is like a beautiful mustard yellow. So it's a little bit different, not as bright, and I actually really like it. So that's all I got. Let me know what you guys think, and have a great day. Bye!